Have you ever wondered why some men seem to effortlessly attract women, while others struggle despite their best efforts? The answer might not be in the latest fashion trends or suave pickup lines, but in ancient wisdom. Today, we're diving into the secrets few men realize about unlocking women's desires, using the timeless principles of Stoicism. By understanding and applying these philosophical insights, you can transform not only your relationships, but your entire approach to life. Our goal today is to explore how Stoic principles, rooted in self-control, resilience, and virtuous living, can revolutionize your understanding of attraction and relationships. By the end of this video, you'll have actionable insights to cultivate a more fulfilling personal life. So let's embark on this journey of self-discovery and relational enhancement through Stoicism. Stoicism originated in ancient Greece and was later refined by Roman philosophers. It's a philosophy that teaches the development of self-control and fortitude as a means of overcoming destructive emotions. The essence of Stoicism lies in focusing on what you can control, accepting what you cannot, and striving for personal virtue. This isn't about suppressing emotions, but mastering them to lead a life of tranquility and purpose. Stoic philosophers like Seneca, Epictetus, and Marcus Aurelius emphasize the importance of rationality and virtue, guiding individuals toward a path of inner peace and resilience. Relevance to modern life. In today's fast-paced world filled with endless distractions and anxieties, the principles of Stoicism are more relevant than ever. They provide a framework for maintaining inner peace amidst chaos and developing resilience against life's unpredictabilities. By embracing Stoic practices, you can cultivate a mindset that not only enhances personal well-being, but also improves how you relate to others. This ancient wisdom equips you with tools to navigate modern challenges with grace and composure, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. Control and confidence. One of the core tenets of Stoicism is self-control. Women are naturally drawn to men who exhibit control over their emotions and actions. This control translates into confidence, a quiet assurance that comes from knowing yourself and your values. It's not about arrogance or bravado, but a deep-seated belief in your principles and abilities. When you demonstrate control, you project stability, which is inherently attractive. This confidence allows you to engage authentically with others, fostering genuine connections. Emotional resilience. The Stoic approach to emotions is often misunderstood. It's not about being emotionless, but about not being ruled by emotions. Emotional resilience means you can face life's ups and downs without losing your sense of self. This trait is incredibly attractive because it makes you a stable partner, someone who can weather the storms of life without faltering. By cultivating emotional resilience, you show that you can handle challenges with poise, a quality that women find deeply appealing. Mindfulness and presence. Mindfulness, being fully present in the moment, is a key Stoic practice. This enhances your interactions with others by allowing you to engage deeply and sincerely. For instance, active listening and showing genuine interest in conversations demonstrate attentiveness and respect. When you are present, you create a space where others feel valued and understood, fostering a deeper connection that transcends superficial interactions. Virtue and integrity. Personal virtue in Stoicism involves aligning your actions with your core values. This integrity is crucial in building trust, a foundational element in any relationship. When you consistently act in accordance with your values, you demonstrate reliability and authenticity. These traits are not only attractive, but essential for maintaining healthy, lasting relationships. By living with integrity, you establish a reputation of trustworthiness, which naturally draws others to you. Handling rejection. From a Stoic perspective, rejection is viewed as a natural part of life, not a reflection of your self-worth. Every rejection is an opportunity for growth and self-improvement. By detaching your self-esteem from external validation, you build resilience against emotional setbacks. Learn from each experience to refine your approach and enhance your personal development. This mindset shift transforms rejection from a source of pain into a stepping stone towards betterment, building healthy relationships. Maintaining a balance between independence and connection is key to healthy relationships. Stoic insights encourage open communication, managing expectations, and supporting each other's growth. By nurturing your individuality while fostering a deep connection, you create a partnership that thrives on mutual respect and shared values. Embrace the power of collaboration and empathy to build a relationship that is both fulfilling and enduring. Stoicism as emotionlessness. One common misconception is that Stoicism advocates for emotionlessness. In reality, Stoics experience emotions but choose how to respond to them. This approach fosters mature and meaningful connections as it allows you to navigate emotional landscapes with clarity and intention. By mastering your emotional responses, you become a more empathetic and understanding partner, enhancing the quality of your relationships. Stoicism as inaction. Another misconception is that Stoicism promotes inaction. Contrary to this belief, Stoics are proactive in improving themselves and their environment. They take initiative in personal growth and relationships, striving to make meaningful contributions to their surroundings. By adopting a proactive stance, you demonstrate leadership and commitment, qualities that are highly attractive and inspiring to others. Conclusion. In summary, by embracing Stoic principles such as self-control, emotional resilience, mindfulness, and integrity, you can unlock a deeper understanding of yourself and women's desires. These timeless insights empower you to